Welcome back to Visibility Hacker Radio, where we empower entrepreneurs with the tools and strategies they need to succeed. In today's episode, we'll be diving deeper into content planning and discussing how to collaborate with your team, along with more of my top content planning tips. So buckle up and let's get started.
Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molle, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
Let's kick it off with tip number 1. Let's talk about collaboration. If you have a team working with you, it's a great idea to involve them in the content planning process. By tapping into the collective creativity and knowledge of your team, you'll be able to develop a more diverse and comprehensive content strategy. Plus, getting your team involved can help foster collaboration and ensure everyone's on board with the content you create. In my experience, some of the best content ideas have come from team brainstorming sessions. So don't be afraid to open the floor to your team and see what amazing ideas they have to share. Next, let's get into tip number 2. Let's discuss tools and resources. As entrepreneurs, we're fortunate to have access to a plethora of content planning tools, from content calendars and scheduling tools to brainstorming and ideation platforms. Don't hesitate to explore what's out there and find the tools that work best for you and your business. For example, I personally love using Trello to organize my content ideas and Google Calendar for scheduling my content. By using these tools, you can streamline your content planning process and ensure you stay organized and on track. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all solution, so take time to experiment with different tools and find the ones that best fit your needs and your workflow. Tip number 3. Now, one of the most crucial aspects of content planning is keeping your audience in mind. As you develop your content strategy, always ask yourself, what does my audience want to see, read, or learn about? What types of content are most engaging for them? By tailoring your content to the needs and interests of your audience, you'll be more likely to create content that resonates with them and drives results. For instance, if you know your audience loves how-to guides, prioritize creating those types of content pieces to keep them engaged and coming back for more. Successful content planning requires proactivity, organization, and strategic thinking. Collaborate with your team and generate diverse and comprehensive content ideas. Explore and utilize various tools and resources to streamline your planning process. And always keep your audience's needs and interests at the forefront of your content strategy. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to creating an effective content plan that drives results for your business.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.